The extrusion process forces the non-ferrous alloy through the die block. The resulting profile is then guided onto the conveyor system for cooling and cutting. Extrusion is a manufacturing process used to create objects with a fixed cross-sectional shape.
The process begins with a metal billet placed inside a heated container. The billet is heated to increase its plasticity and improve material flow.
A hydraulic ram applies high pressure to push the billet forward.
The softened material flows through a specially designed die opening. As the material exits the die, the desired profile is formed.
The extruded product is cooled using air or water systems. The profile is stretched to improve straightness and dimensional accuracy.
The extruded product is cut into required lengths. The extrusion process produces strong, lightweight products used in various industries.